This is my idea of a book. It's inspired by a gentleman I met who lives in Sussex and has had a bit of a rough go with the way he's been treated, and kids and everybody. And I got to know him, and so he was the inspiration of the book that's with the broken windows and things, and a few of us got together and helped him out. But then it went on and it became more than that. It's how I look at life and how the questions I've asked through that experience. As I develop as a person, as an artist, initially I thought what I had to do was create what I saw and try to figure out what it was, so that somebody could see what it was. I'm learning that it's more about what I feel. So this isn't an actual book. It isn't an actual broken window. It's a feeling of what happens when we're angry and when we judge and when we're fearful and we don't choose love. And so it's more about how it feels as opposed to how it looks. It's really strange because it goes back to when I was a kid. I was that kid throwing the rocks. I was that kid calling the names, and not realizing the impact or the damage or the feelings that were happening till I stopped to meet somebody who was the victim of my abuse or my, the way I was. And so this window, it says why. It's in a different color, and it's why are we so angry, and why are we so fearful, and why are we so violent, and why do we judge so much? Those were the questions I asked in the book, and explored the ideas with some quotes and images, and just feeling of why that is. Why am I that way? The one on the judgment has a reflective surface in the center. So when it's a constant struggle for me, and as I've talked about in other pieces, the whole thing of judging, and we really judge ourselves. So that's partly what that is. And some of the quotes inside are, this one here says that seek peace and pursue it. It's in Psalms. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. And so there's there's just some quotes and feelings of what it is to try to figure out love.